Welcome to the frontier of professional communication, where your email isn't just an address. It's your digital identity. With Titan Business Email, you're not just sending messages, you're forging connections, building trust, and unlocking limitless possibilities. Titan is the solution. It's a powerful and secure email platform for small businesses like yours. With Titan, you can get a custom email address ending in your domain, just like big companies. Plus, you get fast and reliable email delivery. Your emails will always reach their destination. Top-notch security. Titan uses advanced measures to keep your data safe. Mobile apps. Manage your email on the go with user-friendly apps for iOS and Android. 24/7 support. Never worry about getting stuck. Our dedicated team is always here to help. Titan offers even more than just the essentials. Here are some powerful tools to boost your productivity. One-click import. Easily bring your existing emails and contacts from other accounts. Multi-account support. Manage multiple email addresses like sales and info from one place. Built-in calendar and contacts. Collaborate with ease and keep track of important information. Want to take your email game to the next level? Consider our premium plan for features like read receipts. Know when your emails get opened for better follow-up. Email templates. Save time by creating reusable responses for common inquiries. Schedule send. Send emails at the perfect time to maximize engagement. Follow-up reminders. Never forget to circle back on important conversations. Stop letting free email hold you back. You can project a professional image with Titan Business Email, improve communication, and boost your productivity. Also, MonoVM is offering a free 90-day trial. That's 3 whole months to see how Titan can transform your email experience. Head over to the link in the description below to start your free trial today. Titan Business Email, where your digital journey begins.